Quality at Kenvue today is a mindset, it's not a function. The way we visualize this mindset is with a football analogy. So we have moved our mindset from being the referee in the game to being the goalkeeper. We went to being a key team player, playing to win instead of playing not to lose, and still being the last line of defense. Hello, my name is Aldo Caceres. I am the Chief Quality Officer at Kenvue. Kenvue quality is at the heart of everyday care. Our ambition is to become a competitive edge for Kenvue because we protect, we enable, and we drive the business. So partnering with Veeva has been much more than just implementing a new technology platform. It has been about being a thinking partner for us and to define the best digital foundation for our future digital platform. So we can implement a digital platform that is compliant, reliable, and efficient for the future. And most importantly, future-ready for AI-enabled operations. We have seen a reduction of 30% in non-conformities, which has positively impacted our scrap costs, reducing them by 3%. We have seen a reduction in product release of 40%. And this 40% reduction in product release time has reduced our inventory cost by 5%. These are metrics that are just highlighting the immediate connection between quality process improvements, quality system improvements, and business results. One of the concrete examples that we're seeing on the use of AI after we have built this digital foundation is the generation of annual product quality reviews. Traditionally, our annual product quality reviews took us over 2 weeks. Now, with the use of AI and data simplification and automation, we have managed to reduce this time by 40 to 60%, and this is a massive improvement. With all of this, I am confidently saying that quality is now a performance lever for Kenvue and a strategic competitive edge. I'm going to give you 2 pieces of advice, quality leaders. The first one is make your quality vision a company vision and a company mission, so everybody could embark on it with you. And the second one is be an enterprise leader, not just a quality technical leader. Put yourself in the shoes of the business and always think and deliver solutions that are win-win-win. Win for quality, win for the other functions, and win for the business and the enterprise.